Hi study buddies! So this is going to be my first video, and the topic for today is going to be in physics, and we're going to be talking about work. Well, what is work? Work is the displacement that is caused when a force is being applied to an object. So the equation we use for work is FD cos theta. F stands for force, D standing for distance or displacement. Cos theta is the angle between your force and displacement. So, for example, if your force is going straight up and your displacement is going to the right, you can say that your cos theta is 90 degrees. What's important to note is that work can be negative. So, for example, in a cosine of 180 degrees, your work will be negative, as when you place 180 degrees into cos, it will be a negative number. However, your work can also be 0. So in the case of a 90 degree cos, you can say that your work is 0. These are some practice problems. I encourage you to pause the video and try solving them yourself. Let's do some practice problems. So in the first example, we have a force of 50 newtons and a displacement of 2.5 miles. Now, the first step in answering this equation is converting miles to meters. So when we convert 2.5 miles to meters, it becomes 4,023.36. We do this because we have to convert it into SI units, which is meters. Then, using the equation FD cos theta, we plug in the force of 50 newtons for F, the distance of 2.5 miles, which was then converted to 4,023.36 meters. Now you may be wondering what we plug in for cosine. Well, since we don't see an angle, we can assume a cosine of 360 degrees, which when we plug that in, we can get 1. We don't necessarily have to put in cosine in this case because 1 multiplied by anything will be the number it's multiplied by. Plugging all this in, you should have gotten 201,168. Now for the second equation, this one is fairly simple. We just have to plug in 125 for F and then 13.2 meters for the distance. Here, cosine would also be 360 because here again, we see no angle given. The answer for this question would be 1,650 joules. Joules being the unit we use in work. So I just wanted to know whether you guys would want videos where you email me in some questions you had on different subjects and I could answer them in videos. Or you guys could comment down questions you had in different subjects down in the comment section below. My goal for these videos are to help you guys learn while I simultaneously learn as I'm teaching it to you guys. And this video is on the shorter side just because I haven't gotten far into the physics course. And so with courses that I have completed, I'll be able to go deeper into those topics and make longer videos that are more in-depth. But the purpose of this video is just give a basic understanding on the concept of work.